Hey, welcome back to part 4 of this review. So then, yeah. So I'm just gonna set that there. Let's take a look at this. This is this that we see already in the box. All of them's gonna have a little Allbot symbol on there, which you really can't see unless you're in person. This nothing. So wow, only 1 out of the 5 discs is going to have this little sticker on there. The other discs are all going to be bright on the back, showing the little Allbot logo. So yep, that's apparently a thing or not a thing. Let's take a look at our half-bent instructions here. So we just pop the thing open from the top, lower this, pop it closed, squeeze to fire this, push the little button on the top for the steamer, and then we could go into blaster mode, which is apparently the mode that we could start in. So then there's the B visor here, which is saying download B visor app. Found it on screen, doesn't scan it, which is kind of BS. So you gotta buy the helmet to download the app to scan this one little Amazon disc coin. Yeah. So how do we load them? Now you think you load them back here, right? Nope. Load them in this with this? Nope. You actually take this thing, pop this thing open, and this is how you load them. So you just take them in there and just drop them in there like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all 5. And then that's how you close it. So you can adjust the strap. There is this little button right here which will launch your disc. So let's actually get the strap out and see if it'll fit my big old dark hand. Now they're saying you're supposed to have it in the right hand mode, so let's go ahead and put this on right hand mode. And you know what? It actually fits. Wow, that fits, and it's quite comfortable. Actually, it's a little too loose, I believe, but it'll work. I mean, when have you actually seen a role-playing toy that can fit a dog's hand? Not even like the Super Sentai ones and Kamen Rider ones that you buy from Japan from Bandai and Toei even fit like big old dog waists and arms for their henshin braces and henshin belts. I mean, this is a American HASBRO one, and yeah, I'm actually kind of impressed that it fits, which is something that you wouldn't think. Let's just kind of set up some things to kind of get the shooting going on. We don't want to lose anything behind my review table. So if we push this little trigger right there, we should fire some discs. Okay. One disc shot out. I'm going to tell you this, it is very, very, very hard to fire the disc out. Like, you got to use a lot of force and pressure. But if you do rapid fire, you can kind of do it a little bit easier. But getting that first one off is like, squeezing a lot, you know? Let's open it up and load them in again. Why not? I don't know, why not? I really wish that this part right here would kind of lock open to make it easier to load the disc, because every single time, yeah, it just kind of wants to close. So if they could do something where it kind of locks in some way to hold it up so that you can actually get all of the discs in here. That is really freaking annoying. Of how you gotta load them in there. So they're saying push this little button right here and the hidden data opens up. So yay! And now that it's in data mode, you could stab with your Energon dagger, not your metal dagger. And you can also still squeeze the button back here, the little trigger to, shoot. Which actually, it's a little bit more easier to shoot when it's in steamer mode. Which I don't know why they can't install a Nerf dart in there. I mean, it looks like there's plenty of room to put a Nerf dart right there. Obviously you can't do it now because, with Fusor, but if they did some kind of system, maybe put it upwards somehow or something, I would definitely see someone 3D printing this and use it as a Nerf dart gun. I don't know how to 3D print, a Nerf foam steamer blade, but definitely the gun part to shoot out things. And it probably will open up like this. For steer mode, it will more than likely just be like in this little closed compact mode. But I mean, if they could make one that shoots Nerf darts, more than likely I'll probably buy it. I mean, with this, it's okay. I like how it's big enough that the wrist strap can actually fit a dart-sized wrist. But it kind of hurts your knuckles on the inside holding this, and right here to squeeze the trigger. They could have made the trigger mechanism way simple and easier. Also, when you load this, having something that kind of locks right there so you could actually get a chance to load all the discs in there would be way better. Because, like I said, you load one disc in there, time you go to grab another disc, it keeps closing down. This button I kind of like. I kind of like how you push the blade in and they auto close. But why do they have to have a little hole here? It's kind of misleading. It kind of looks like this should be able to push upward or down, or you should be able to lower your disc in here from the back. Yet there's this little hole with this little design that doesn't do anything. It kind of looks like a little hole for speakers. That where they say like bzoo bzoo or beep 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 beep. You know how Bumblebee talked, like in the Transformers. What was it? It was RC and Wheeljet and. Ball had Transformers Prime, that's what it was. Remember how he talked with like the beeps and communications with his human partner, Raph, which is Raphael. Yeah, it kind of looks something like that, but no electronics, no speakers, nothing. But I mean, overall, I guess I would say this toy is pretty cool, considering that it is from HASBRO, and that, like I said, they did get the the Energon steamer brake wand. That it's on the right hand instead of the left hand. It's an Energon blade instead of a metal blade. Yeah, I mean that's kind of been movie / role playing prop fall, but other than that, I mean, yeah, I mean it shoots. I wish that the blade was the right color. It had some kind of locking mechanism on, the loading door. I wish there was Nerf darts instead of these blue hard plastic discs. Those are like my real big complaints. Loading discs instead of darts, one color blade, and it's a little hard on top of your knuckles, and the trigger is hard to squeeze. But other than that, the strap is a nice, big, long strap that you can see. You just push it in there, fold it over to lock it in place. That's pretty good and awesome. I love the little button here where auto pops out to blade mode, and then you push the blade in, which I don't know if you can notice this, but on the blade there's a little Cybertronian language printed on the blade, which is saying it's actually pretty cool. I don't know what it says. I'll have my Cybertronian decoder dictionary out with me, but if you do, hopefully you know what it says. If I could get it in camera here, which it's being translucent blue. You really can't see it, but yeah. I love how you push the little blade in and it closes it down. So, pros, cons. I'm going to say, okay, you definitely should buy this if you're a big Transformer Bumblebee fan. You really like to pose it and how it fits on your hand. But like I said, cons, the color of the blade, the loading door, it hurts your knuckles when you're firing it. But other than that, yeah, don't know why they don't tell you how many discs comes with it. It's just that also includes 5 discs. Doesn't say that. It's just, you know, you have to count your discs separately. There's the 5th one. Yeah. But I say, what the F? Go ahead and pick it up. Sure, go ahead. So it's been like, what, part 3 or 4 of this unboxing review. So yeah, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification button, leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.